It's me, m₁m₂.com.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Anybody home? Hello. Anybody out there? Hello. Ready? Ready? This is sign language for hard. Hard. And this is sign language for physics. Bam, 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 bam. So it's a real challenge. Sign language for challenge. Physics challenge. Are you ready? It's gonna get complicated. What's the formula? The force of gravity equals the standard formula for gravity times the mass of the two objects divided by the radius squared. Mass is really complicated, but let's see a few different balls with different mass. My #1 student has come to the show. Okay, so today we're gonna learn about balls. Let's understand mass of different balls. So for example, the mass of this ball versus this ball is different. So when we throw them into the water, it makes a different size splash. What about this ball? Is this ball have a bigger mass than this ball? Possibly, but we really don't know until we calculate the weight amongst some other factors. Ball! Big! 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 Ball! Small. We're looking for a big ball! This is a medium or an average ball. An average ball. Ball. An average ball. A large ball. Let's go looking. A large cha. Cha. In sign language, we have a special word. It's called cha. So if something is really big, in sign language, we use a special mouth morpheme called cha. 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 A cha ball. A big ball. Cha. A small little ball. Small. Big. Cha. Cha. A duck. go to mamamimi.com. That's MAMAMI.com and put down your email for Mama Mimi to stay in touch more soon.